Everything is building up to the electric hypercar, the McMurty Automotive. That's certainly something we'll be watching. But now we've got Florent MOULIN, and I tell you what, Florent is very quick in this machine. This is the Dodge Viper GTS-R of 2001 with a V10 engine out of the front, 8 litres, and it really does shift very quickly indeed.
Got to get it stuck to the tarmac though, that's the bit that counts. Forward momentum rather than wheel spin, and this thing really does create some wheel spin when he asks for full throttle.
That first sector was okay, second sector, yeah, strong.
Oh, he was neat through Malcolm, you know, really, very neat through there. Didn't waste any time, didn't waste any space, so that was a beautiful left-hander at Malcolm. Let's have a look and see what he's got. 36.3 at the intermediate 2 split. Not a bad time, I've got to say, but will it be quick enough? I think this is quick enough to take the top spot, you know.
He's going to use all that
momentum.
He's going to use all that 700 horsepower that this car develops, and he's over the line. He goes fastest. We've got the first car
48.97
in the 40s, 48.97, and he has taken the top spot for now. But we are expecting.